Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch Netflix together on Zoom, using your PC. It's a super easy way to enjoy your favorite shows and movies with friends or family, even when you're not in the same place. First, open Netflix on your computer and sign into your account. If you don't have the Netflix app, just go to the Netflix website on your browser and log in from there. Keep the Netflix window open. Next, open the Zoom app on your PC and start a new meeting. Once your meeting is live, invite your friends or family members to join. When everyone has joined, click on Share Screen at the bottom of your Zoom window. A new window will pop up showing all your open applications. Select the Netflix app or the browser window where Netflix is playing. Before you start sharing, check the boxes that say Share Computer Sound and Optimize Screen Share for Video Clip. This will make sure everyone can hear the movie clearly and enjoy smooth video quality. Now click Share. Go back to Netflix, pick the movie or show you want to watch, and press play. Everyone in your Zoom meeting will now see and hear the movie, just like you do. If you need to stop sharing for a moment, you can use the Pause Share button on Zoom. You can also click on the More button in the Zoom toolbar to chat or record the session without interrupting the video. And that's it. You've just learned how to watch Netflix together on Zoom using your PC. Please don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials like this one.